Hey, what's up, guys? So, I got 3 booster packs of Roaring Skies, and I got 3 booster packs of Ancient Origins. I'm gonna open the Roaring Skies today. They all got Mega Gallade on them. Let's see if I can get anything good today. I previously opened in one of my videos, or in a couple of my videos, I've opened the Groudon tin, and I opened a couple of Ancient Origin booster packs and Phantom Forces booster packs. And I also opened a big blister box of a couple packs of Furious Fists, and it had 3 promo cards of Electivire, Dusknoir, and Scizor. So if you guys want to look back on those, just go to my channel and you can look back on those. I didn't have a lot of good luck on those ones, but I got a Gardevoir in my tin to add to my collection. First one is a Rayquaza. I'll just give you guys this code. Focus. Okay. So, we got a Rayquaza Spirit Link, Gliscor, Tranquill, Dunsparce, Voltorb, Pikachu, Wurmple, Bagon, Reverse Holo is Electrike, and a rare is a Holo Dragonite. I think I already have like 4 or 5 of these, but it's still an amazing card. I love using this card on the TCGO. So, yeah, he's pretty powerful. Once you get all of the energies up here, you can pretty much say bye, because I mean, it's really easy to win with just this guy. It just takes a while to get energies. So, next is another Rayquaza. I don't know, sometimes it's so easy to open a pack, and then sometimes it's like impossible. Okay. So we got a Tropius, Switch, Gliscor, Execute, Tailo, Electrike, Bagon, Nincada, Reverse Holo is a Wurmple, and a rare is a regular Dragonite. So we've got 2 Dragonites. Let me organize. I feel like in every Roaring Skies pack I always get a Bagon. I don't know if it's just me or a Nincada. There's always like those certain common Pokemon that you always just end up getting almost in every pack. Like Ancient Origin, you usually get a Ralt. Okay. So we got an Altaria, Rayquaza Spirit Link, Silcoon, a Wingull, Swablu, a Shuppet, Fletchling, Togepi, Reverse Holo is a Switch, and a rare is a Latios EX. Wow. I don't think I have this EX either, so that's pretty cool. It's got Fast Raid. If you go first, you can use this attack on your first turn. And Light Pulse. Prevent all effects on your opponent's attack except damage done to this Pokemon during your opponent's next turn. It's got 170 HP. Wow. That's a pretty good card. Okay. I'll open Ancient Origins in my next video, so if you guys want to see what I pull in those videos, just stay tuned.